5 facts about alligators that will shock you. The American alligator is one of the most fascinating creatures that can be found in the southern states of the U.S. These magnificent reptiles have been around for millions of years and are truly a sight to behold. However, there are many things about alligators that most people don't know. So in this video, we will share 5 facts about alligators that will shock you. Number 1. Alligators can live up to 80 years. The average lifespan of an alligator depends on various factors such as habitat, diet, and overall health. In general, American alligators have a lifespan of 30 to 50 years in the wild. However, they can live much longer in captivity. The oldest alligator on record lived to be 86 years old. This was a female named Big Mama, who lived at the St. Augustine Alligator Farm Zoological Park in Florida. She was estimated to be around 86 years old when she died in 2022. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles, so their metabolism is slower than that of mammals. This means that they don't need to eat as often as mammals to survive. In addition, alligators are opportunistic feeders, so they can go without food for long periods of time if necessary. Finally, alligators are generally solitary creatures, which may also contribute to their longevity, as they don't even have to worry about being killed by other alligators. While defending their territory, all these factors combined may explain how alligators can live up to 80 years. 2. Alligators have excellent night vision. Alligators have adapted to their environment in many ways, one of which is their excellent night vision. They can see 6 to 8 times better than humans in low-light conditions. This adaptation allows them to be active hunters even at night when their prey is most active. Their eyes are designed to gather as much light as possible, even in the darkest of environments. In addition, their retinas contain more rods than cones, which are the photoreceptor cells responsible for vision in low light. Rods are more sensitive to light than cones, which allow for better night vision. Furthermore, alligators have a reflective layer behind their retinas called the tapetum lucidum, which helps to amplify the amount of light that reaches the photoreceptor cells. Finally, alligators have a much larger pupil size than humans, which allows for more light to enter the eye. All these adaptations combined make it possible for alligators to see very well at night. 3. Alligators can eat almost anything. Alligators are known to be opportunistic feeders, meaning that they will eat almost anything that they can catch. They are not picky eaters, and will consume a variety of prey items, including fish, turtles, snakes, birds, mammals, and even other alligators. In fact, alligators have been observed eating more than 100 different species of animals. Their diet varies depending on their location and the availability of prey. For example, alligators in Florida may eat more fish and turtles, while alligators in Louisiana may eat more snakes and birds. Additionally, alligators are ambush predators, so they typically eat their prey whole. They use their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to hold on to their prey, while their strong tail helps them to drown their prey. Once the prey is dead, alligators swallow it whole. Number 4. Alligators can regrow their tails. If an alligator loses its tail, whether due to injury or predation, it can actually regrow a new one. However, the new tail will not be exactly the same as the original. It will be made up of cartilage instead of bone, and will not have any of the original coloration or pattern. Despite these differences, the new tail is functional and can help the alligator to swim and maneuver in the water. The ability to regrow a tail is a unique adaptation that is not seen in many other reptiles. It allows alligators to compensate for injuries and continue to live relatively normal lives. However, it is important to note that the regrowth process can take several months to complete, and the alligator must have enough nutrients and energy to support the growth of the new tail. 5. Female alligators can lay up to 40 eggs. Female alligators typically lay between 30 and 40 eggs per year, although some females may lay as few as 10 eggs, or as many as 50. The size of the clutch also depends on the age and health of the female alligator. Younger and less healthy females may produce smaller clutches, while older and healthier females may produce larger clutches. The eggs themselves are leathery and soft, and they are laid in a nest that is made out of vegetation and other materials. The female alligator will guard the nest and the eggs until they hatch. During this time, she will not eat or drink, and will only leave the nest to swim in the water. Once the eggs hatch, the baby alligators will be on their own. However, the mother will continue to watch over them from a distance and will protect them from predators. These are just a few of the many amazing facts about alligators. These creatures are truly fascinating and deserve our respect and admiration. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.